In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Gnucash quickly and efficiently. Keeping your financial software up to date is crucial, as it ensures you have access to the latest features and security updates. Plus, it helps your system run smoothly. Let's dive into the simple steps to update Gnucash. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This is your main portal to the internet, so use whichever browser you are most comfortable with, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Make sure your internet connection is stable so that you don't encounter any interruptions during the process. Next, navigate to the search bar and type in Gnucash. This will lead you to the relevant sources where you can find the latest version of Gnucash. Typically, you'll see the official Gnucash website at or near the top of the results. This is usually the best option to ensure you're getting the legitimate version of the software. Once the search results have loaded, look for the download link in the listings. It's important to download from a credible source, which is why I recommend the official Gnucash site. Click on the download link provided in the search result. This will take you directly to the page where you can find the latest version of Gnucash. On the download page, you will be prompted to identify your operating system as well as the bit processor of your computer. This might be Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and your computer might be running on a 32-bit or a 64-bit processor. If you're unsure, you can typically find this information in your computer's settings under System Information. It's crucial to choose the correct version to ensure smooth installation and functioning. After identifying the correct version for your system, click on the specific download link for your operating system. The download should begin shortly. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few minutes, so it's a good time to take a break, grab a cup of coffee, and let your computer do the work. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves downloaded files. Double-click on the installer to begin the installation wizard. The installation wizard will guide you through the setup process with step-by-step instructions. Follow those carefully, reading each step to ensure everything is set up correctly. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you've successfully updated your Gnucash software. Make sure to check for updates regularly to keep your software running optimally. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy budgeting!